So the fuel pump and new fuel basket is installed, as well as the new gas tank. And then he's pumping gas inside the car using this. It's just 93. Everything is installed in the engine bay. He's doing a ETS stock location kit. So this car is going to get tuned on 93 and E85, so 2 separate maps, by Eric at Torque Performance, which is who we usually go through for actually all of our cars for tuning purposes, except the Nissan, of course.
All right. All right, we're starting to build something. Go ahead. All right. All right, one more time. Okay.
Okay, so Phillip is about to start the car because it's done. Here we go.
I'm not starting yet.
Oh. Shit. Alright, I'm ready. Center?
Oh, that's right.
Sounds like a fucking weed eater.
That's right. I forgot about that.
I'm like, there's
That's
a huge gaping hole right here.
I was wondering while I was running my shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds like a damn lawnmower.
It started though.
Yeah, it did. Holy shit.
Ready?
Yep. Sounds really good.
That sounds good as fuck.
Yeah, it does.
Hell yeah. Very nice.
Hell yeah.
All right. So what I like to do when I get all this together is I like to pressure up the coolant system. The max pressure that this cap on the radiator holds is 137 kPa, which comes out to be roughly 19.8 psi. So I like to push it up to around there. Then I let it sit for 15 minutes. If it starts leaking up, well, first I'll visually check and see if there's any leaks, like visible leaks. If I don't see any leaks, I let this sit for about 15 minutes, and if it doesn't go down, then I just say, okay, it's good. And then I'll go drive around. I do this before I drive, that way I'm not driving around leaking coolant everywhere.
The fender obviously will replace. Hell yeah. Actually driving it. Ready?
I'm just gonna ride around.
Wow, we're actually driving. So now at this point, all that's left to do is just to get the car tuned.